Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's why you want to change, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. If they are not speaking in English, that is, some people are there, they are really caring of how the children are learning. And if they are speaking in English, that is very good. That is very good. So, did I give any homework today?
मैम दिया तो मैम यस मैम दिया था मेक द सेंटेंसेस into negative.
Make sentences in
To negative. Into negative. Convert.
Okay. Yes. Did you do this all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So tell me the answer.
Ma'am, first one is I play cricket, and this answer is I do not play cricket. And second one is you are naughty, and its answer you are not naughty. And third one, Mona sings well, and its answer Mona does not sing well. And fourth, my board is good, and answer my board is not good. And fifth, Eva makes a good point, and its answer Eva does not makes a good point. And sixth, this is my pen, and its answer is this is not my pen. And this next one, the man shouts, and its answer the man does not shout. And last one, she thinks a lot, and its answer she does not thinks a lot.
She does not thinks, no? She does not think. S नहीं होगा.
A lot.
Yes, in the last you have not to write S. Thinks not. She does not think a lot. Okay?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good
answer-
evening. Yes.
She does not think lot. Think a lot. इसका ये है.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Let me ask others. What about Aditya? Hello. Aditya, just unmute yourself and talk to me, please. Hello. Okay. Sonu, please say something. Did you do the homework?
Sorry.
Did you do the homework? Did you write the answers? Questions I gave yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So tell me the answers now.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Hello. What happened? Hello,
Play
Aditya.
cricket.
Please, okay. Sonu, please 1 minute. Okay. Okay, Aditya, please tell me what happened. You are today, I think you are audible today. Hello.
मैम आप वो लिंक होता है ना बार चैटिंग करवाने के बाद में वो कहता है डिसमिस मैम आप दूसरे ऐप में ले लो क्लास.
नहीं वो एप्लीकेशन से ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड नहीं होता, तो वो एप्लीकेशन नहीं होगा. इसी में ही हम करेंगे, गूगल मीट में या जूम में करेंगे. हेलो Aditya, are you listening to me? Okay, so we shall be taking class. We shall be taking class in this platform only, and that platform is not working, and that platform in their audio recording is not going on. So this is the best for us. Yes, Zoom.
अपने बाद में लिंक पे जाते हैं उससे डाउनलोड हो नहीं रहा कुछ.
No, I have also deleted that app. So we shall be meeting in this platform. Okay. So did you write the answers I gave gave yesterday, Aditya? Some questions I gave. I think you were not there at that time.
No, he is not there. He was not there.
Okay. Hello, Aditya. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you just wait for some minute. I will be giving you all new questions, and that we shall be discussing in this lesson today. Okay. Okay, very good. So wait for some second. Okay, Sonu, please carry on your answers.
Okay.
Yes.
I play cricket. Negative. I do not play cricket. You are naughty. You are not naughty. Mona sings well. Mona sings is not well.
No, dear, it is not the right one. Mona does not sing well. Does not
Mona-
sing well.
Mona does not.
Yes. Aditya, on the video.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Does not sing well. Okay? Very good. On the video. Okay. So, Sonu, next.
Okay, my board is good. My board is not good.
Okay. Next.
Eva makes a good paint. Eva not makes a good paint.
Does not make a good paint.
Does not. Okay.
Does not
This is
spelling
my pen.
DOES. Does.
This is my pen. This is not my pen.
Okay.
The man shouts. The man does not shout.
The man does not shout. S will be not there in the last. Last में S लगाना नहीं है. Shout. Does not shout.
ओके ऐसे नहीं लगाना.
नहीं, क्योंकि S के लिए तो does ही आया है.
हाँ. She thinks a lot. She does not think a lot.
She does not think. S will be not there in the verb, in the answer. She does not think a lot.
Okay. हाँ.
Okay.
Yes आ गया.
Oh yes, S don't write. Okay, today I will be giving you one thing I have given you in the group. One vocabulary I have given you. Okay, that one can you see in the group? This some vocabulary are there. Can you see? Try, then necessary, show, then so many words are there. Did you get the words? Yes. These words all are the things are vocabulary. So you write in the copy vocabulary. You write in the copy vocabulary.
One heading now for vocabulary.
Yes. vocabulary. Sonu, are you writing?
Yes sir.
Okay, very good.
One more thing.
Vocabulary.
Ma'am, Sam. Hello.
Yes.
Sam उतारना मैम. Basic, advanced.
Yes, same you write. Same questions are you have to write. Same questions you have to write. What is this?
Vocabulary.
Okay.
Yes, okay. We shall be learning this vocabulary next, but whatever the things I have given in the group, that one you write now, Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
That one you write now in the group. What is the question is being given? That one you write. We shall be discussing this one. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
मैम ये vocabulary कैसे लिखवाएगी? मैम ये जो लिखा है बेसिक और एडवांस लिखना है ये दोनों?
Yes, all the things. Yes, Aditya, you write these things.
Yes, ma'am.
You write the things I have given in the group. This one you write.
मैम ये next page से करना है मैम?
Yes, next page. In the next page you write. These questions are really very important. So you have to write these questions here.
And questions की मैम vocabulary से आपने भेजी.
Questions are there, and question is basic, then advanced, try, basic and basic. First of all, before writing, you just listen to me one thing. Here is written basic in the red column, is not it? And then in the advanced column is written in the green color. So what is the meaning of this one? Basic means saying common all of the people, all people are using this one. Necessary, try, go ahead, show, important, help, keep, watch, all these things. But nowadays, hello, are you listening to me? Hello, are you listening to me? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you see, this is but advanced level. Some words are changed. Now advanced who are learning English, spoken English, they are telling another words in in lieu of try, necessary. So basic words you write. After that I will be giving you the answer. What are the exact advanced words are coming in terms of these basic words. Okay.
मैम ये बेसिक है मैम ये वोकैबुलरी और मैम एडवांस कैसे लिखनी है
Yes, basic words are there. So you have to.
मैम एडवांस अपने आप लिखनी है क्या
Yes.
मैम वो एडवांस वोकैबुलरी आर डू इटसेल्फ और नॉट
Advanced words are there. I will be giving you, but you write first time. Try, necessary, all these things you write first time. Now.
मैम बेसिक
Yes, basic, all the words you write.
मैम बट वो एडवांस इज राइट
Advanced things you
Right.
keep. Yes. Don't write this one. Here is answer is given. Hello.
मैम दिखाई नहीं दे रहे मैम आंसर
Answer is not given. So you write only question. Basic. Try. What will be the answer of try? And this is the answer of all these questions. So I am just sharing you. You just do it now.
मैम बेसिक हिंदी
Basic means common. Every that means very high. Yes, and these are the answers I have given in the group. These are the answers. So you read all these answers. This is the words we should know.
Okay. Right.
Write all these things. Basic, try. Advanced is attempt. Necessary, essential. Go ahead. Proceed.
मैम वोकैबुलरी स्पेलिंग क्या होगी
इतना बार करके बोली हूँ तुम सुनते नहीं हो क्या कितना बार बोलेंगे VOCA vocabulary VOCA BULARY
ओके
show reflect important crucial help facilitate and keep maintain watch monitor. These are the words we have to know. These are the basic words. We should be knowing of all these things. Okay. These things are really very important. So that's the thing. Thank you.
मैम नोटेड